Arabian Ranches 3-bedroom detached villa renovation project. This is the deal of the quarter. If you are looking for a renovation deal, investors out there, this is it. We're in a type 8 in Arabian Ranches 1. You want to buy this to renovate it. The plot is lovely and large. The details are below here in the description. I'm going to turn the camera around. We will walk through. Now remember, it's a project this. You could move in and live in it, but most people now are simply buying these because you're in a really mature community. You've got a lovely large garden. You can put in a pool and do renovations. So this is the front door. You would walk in. The Type 8 is the most popular because of this lovely open plan atrium entry, which most people actually put potentially another room up here and make that into a 4-bedroom. So you've got downstairs. I mean, again, because it's a renovation project, you're probably not looking too much in detail at the, like, you know, the actual sanitary ware, but you're looking more at the configuration of this house. This is the door into the double garage, which is enormous, and here is the front door. So we walk in and we've got the kitchen in here, open plan kitchen to the dining area and the lovely garden. And then here you walk in from the front door and the stairs. You've got this smart or casual family living area here, and then down to the main lounge, out to the swimming pool and the gardens. So again, really you're looking more at this as a renovation project. We'll go out to the garden in just one second. So here is into the dining area and the kitchen. And there we have it. You can see out to this garden, it's beautiful. So here's the kitchen area. So of course you would completely take this out, rip it out and do a new kitchen here, but really nice space, very, very in demand. You've got a nice side door here, laundry area, and then you've got the maid's room here with their own bathroom. Again, this will all need to be pulled out and done again. And you've got storage as well there. And I will show you from outside the plot. So this is the garden. So at the moment it's got artificial grass down, but you could put in a swimming pool. You've got very mature trees here because remember we are in Arabian Ranches 1. So look at this plot of land. It's enormous. This is the house. So you can walk down both sides of the garden here and you can put in a swimming pool. So this is now the cheapest detached villa anywhere on the market for sale. You will not find a detached villa anywhere in any community, especially in one that's this mature, for this price. And the price is at the bottom of the description. So pull up the description of this video and you will see all the details. So let's go upstairs. And this is marble stairway. So again, most houses nowadays are not built with actual marble. Really, really solid. I forgot to show you downstairs, there's a really large storage as well. So here is the front door. And we've got 3 bedrooms up here. So we've got 1 bedroom here. Can't see, but again, really nice green street. And then these are a typical Emaar his and hers bathroom shared. So you've got a sink there, shower. Again, you would rip this out, another bedroom here. And that is to your garden. And the cupboards here. And then finally you've got the master bedroom here with its own little balcony here. And then all the wardrobes, really nice space, and of course the bathroom which you would rip out. You've got a large shower and a bath. So just one more thing I'd like to show you upstairs. So this is where potentially people rip this out and they close that in and make that another bedroom there. So some more details of this renovation project. This is the last of its kind, especially at this price. You can check out the price below. Press subscribe on my YouTube channel because I'm always bringing you the best deals before they go. And you can get directly through to me on my WhatsApp channel by pressing click to get through to me. Look forward to bringing you here. Even if you don't yet live in Dubai, you don't have a bank account, you don't have a visa, you can still buy this property, and I'll tell you how when you give me a call. I've lived here 13 years selling real estate. I'm also a property owner, and I'll help you to get your next property here. Take care.